Guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Delia C. So today's video, I'm gonna attempt to make waffles. And I'm gonna make it from scratch. I never made waffle from scratch before. Not that I make them often, but the time I did, I used pancake mix. I don't buy that anymore. I will just make my pancake from scratch. So one time I did comment it on this person video on TikTok, and they made waffles and the waffle looked so good, and I'm like, hey, what is the recipe? And they did reply to me, so I am going to attempt to make the waffle with the person recipe. I can't even remember the person name because it's been such a long time I had commented under that person TikTok. So let me get up, head to the kitchen, wash the dishes so I can start making the waffles and chicken. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so I finished washing the dishes. I think I'm gonna make some matcha. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna toast some bread as well because I'm hungry.
Oh, damn, the shadows.
Anyway, so I was saying I'm gonna make a matcha drink and I'm gonna toast some bread and maybe put cream cheese or some jam on there just to keep me until I start cooking. So let me get my matcha. So my matcha is in here. Alright guys, so I'm finished with my matcha. Really good. And matcha has a very, what's the word? Distinctive?
What?
Is it distinctive? It have a very acquired, yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Why is my belly talking? Matcha have a very acquired taste, and it's something that you have to get used to because it can be bitter at times, like very overpowering. But the way that I make it, it's actually decent to my liking. But yeah, so I made my matcha and I have toast with cream cheese, and I'm gonna eat that, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna start making the waffles and chicken because hungriness is killing me. I really cannot concentrate on a hungry brain, so I gotta eat. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I am back and now I'm gonna start cooking. I have my recipe book right here, and where is this? So this is my recipe. I am going to leave the recipe on the screen. Y'all, I really hope I don't flop with that waffle today. I really hope I don't flop. So let's start making the batter for the waffle. Oh, let me get the chicken. Let me get the chicken, y'all. So this is the chicken. Don't watch this. My bowl melted. Already seasoned, and I'm gonna add some mustard as well on the chicken. For the chicken, I'm gonna mix some flour, season it up, and also add some cornstarch in there. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, so I am making the pot heat up with the oil, and now I'm gonna start making the, what is it? What did I say I was making again? Waffles. So yeah, let's start on that. The oil is supposed to be hot by now. I'm gonna test it. And yes, I reuse my oil. Alright guys, so the chicken is done. I'm gonna take it out because I don't want it too dry, and then I'm gonna put the second batch in there. Alright guys, so the chicken is finished, and now we're gonna move on to making the waffles. So let's start. Let me get my waffle maker. We're gonna plug that in. Is it on? Is this thing on? Yeah, it's on. Make it heat up a little bit, and then I will use the spray to spray it and put the batter in there. Why is not saying ready? Is it supposed to say ready? Jesus. My. Let's see. Okay. So this is not bad for my first try. Let me try it and see. I don't know if it's cooked. I don't know. I think it needs to be more darker though. Let's look. Yeah, it's too white. It's giving Caucasian. All right, let's try second batch and see. I'm gonna put, Lord God, don't tell me to spray down. Jesus be a fence. Look like the spray down. Hold on. I'm gonna put it to 3. My spray is finished. I'm struggling over here with my spray. Oh no, it's spilling on the side. Look, it's spilling. As you can see, the light is blue, so that means it's ready. I'm just gonna take off the edges.